I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tiramisu in 10 minutes, the only way. Get ready to whip up a truly delightful dessert with incredible speed. We'll be using a few clever shortcuts to ensure you can enjoy this classic Italian treat without spending hours in the kitchen. This quick method is perfect for last-minute cravings or unexpected guests, delivering a rich and creamy tiramisu that tastes like it took much longer to prepare. Let's dive in and create something delicious together. First, let's create that irresistible mascarpone cream. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of creamy mascarpone cheese with half a cup of powdered sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that essential flavor. Now, gently fold in 1 cup of pre-whipped heavy cream until the mixture is light, airy, and perfectly smooth. This simple combination forms the heart of our tiramisu, providing a luxurious texture and sweet, delicate taste in just a couple of minutes. Next, we move on to the quick assembly. Take 24 ladyfingers and swiftly dip each one into 1 cup of strong, cooled espresso. Be careful not to oversoak them. A quick dip is all you need. Arrange half of these espresso-soaked ladyfingers in the bottom of an 8 by 8 inch serving dish. Then, spread half of your freshly made mascarpone cream evenly over this first layer. Repeat the process with the remaining ladyfingers and cream, ensuring a beautiful, even distribution. Finally, for the perfect finish, generously dust the top of your tiramisu with 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. This adds a beautiful visual appeal and a lovely bitter contrast to the sweet cream. While this tiramisu is ready to eat almost immediately, a quick chill in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes will help it set slightly, enhancing the texture. This recipe yields 6 to 8 delightful servings, ready to impress in record time. Enjoy your 10-minute tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.